What's going on, you guys? It's me, it's Minion Vlogs here, and it's the 4th of July. Yeah, yep, 4th of July, guys. I am so excited today. At night, we're gonna have so much fun. Throw a barbecue, watch fireworks at the front yard. And one time last year, it was completely fun with my aunt. It's also. Sorry that my screen is the other way, but it's 11:02 right now, and 11:02 in the morning. But let's do this. Isn't the time for a weekend? Good. Hey, baby J, little J. He's a bit cute. Oh, baby J, look. Hey, buddy. You wanna say hi to the camera? You wanna say hi to the camera? He's just little. By the way, he turned 1 year old like a couple months ago, maybe, and he's a year old. Oh, baby J, baby J, baby J. You wanna say hi to the camera? You wanna say hi to the camera? What is that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You dropped your cube. You dropped your cube.
Yeah, I think she took it down and she edited it and she uploaded it again. Stupid bitch. I seriously want to slap her. I want to fuck her up.
Sorry for the exclusive language in the background. Oh my god. My cousin made this mess and I was like, oh my god. Right before my aunt came here. Hey, baby J. Baby J. Look at you. No. It's pencil shaving. Hey. I know what you need. Baby J. Baby J. Baby J. No, eat this one. Eat this one. Eat this one. Yummy. No, Baby J. Get out of there. Silly. He's so little. What you eating, Baby J? What you eating? Yummy. They good, Baby J? Is it good? Eat it. Yummy. Isn't it good, Baby J? Is it good? Yummy. Say hi to the camera. What did you like? What did you think about your new iPhone XR? Did you like it?
Yeah.
He got his iPhone XR like a couple of days ago, I think, and he was very happy about it. And his mom got it for him. Show everyone the rope. Show everyone your phone. Show everyone. No, to the camera. Now show the back. Give me a smile so I can screenshot. There you go. Now show Roblox. Show Roblox on your phone. He has it right there. Now go on the app. And if you guys want to follow him, his username is right here. on his Roblox account. And one day we're gonna create his own YouTube channel so you can subscribe to him, and I'll subscribe to him so you could like give him like a lot of subscribers or something. But anyways, Romeo, are you gonna be happy? Are you happy at the 4th of July? You're gonna see some fireworks and everything. Plain.
A very hungry Pikachu.
A very hungry Pikachu.
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm back because I finished playing Roblox with my cousin, and here he is right now. What are you playing?
Camping.
Roblox.
Yeah, it's called camping.
Oh, look at the shirt he's wearing. He used to be my brother's shirt when he was little. Show him the shirt. Isn't that cool? So, yeah. It's gonna take like a few hours until dark. So, I'll see you guys later then. This is a good time evening so far. And look at. My aunt got in the pool for us. And Romeo. Romeo, look at me. Stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing. What you playing? Show the game. Show the game on the screen. Cool. Are you ready for some fireworks, Romeo?
Yeah.
For tonight?
Yeah.
He's gonna be a future maniac when he sees them outside. He's just gonna be really excited. Huh, Romeo?
Yeah.
Baby J! Baby J! Baby J! Look at him. He's just addicted to the movie that he's watching. But we got the fireworks, brought them home, and they were like $55, like I said. Check this out. We're gonna do the sparklers first, fountains, then the boom booms. But first we're gonna have it through like a little barbecue party. Look at that meat, big juicy meat. We got the grill popping. Oh, if you didn't notice, my aunt got a new dog, which bites. Hey Daisy, hi girl. One time I tried to rub her belly and she like really bit me, and it didn't like hurt that much anyway. Kendra, come here, girl. This is this is the second dog they had, but the first dog that they had was killed by their daughter. Kendra, 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 Kendra. Hi, Kendra. Hi, baby girl. Neighbors are playing music in the back. So, yeah. I'll see you at nighttime. And I bet at nighttime, when last year I went, actually like 2 years ago maybe, I wanted to like, oh, whoops. Sorry, I actually dropped my iPhone. I need a tripod for this because holding it can be a bit of a struggle or something, but I don't even know what it is. But whatever. Okay, so 2 years ago, I really wanted to watch the fireworks, and I conquered it was my favorite when I was little. And I usually saw some right here behind the trees, but I really wish that they could remove the trees so I could see the fireworks a bit better. And I noticed some of the neighbors are letting some of the fireworks on their like by their houses down the street on the alley, but whatever. But anyways, so yeah, they're like everywhere, but like I think last year one of my neighbor's sons like lit in a big one, and a huge firework exploded as well, and I was like, oh my god. So yeah, we got the fireworks prepared, and I'll show you myself eating something from the barbecue and everything. So yeah. Baby G! Look at you!
Baby Jason. Jason.
Look at you, Baby J! My aunt is using a snap with my 1-year-old cousin.
I put you in a ball spot.
Oh, were you doing it on WhatsApp?
Yeah,
Oh. Romeo. What do you think we're gonna do for the 4th of July? What do you think we're gonna?
Yes. Vámonos, Junior.
3, 4, 5,
Not right now.
7,
Tomorrow.
8, 9,
You know I'm gonna have to bleep this.
12, 13.
Good thing I'm gonna bleep it.
Oh, you know how to bleep it?
Yeah. I had to like screen record the video of it, and then I had to edit the whole video. So Romeo, what do you think you're gonna do for the 4th of July? Do some fireworks?
No.
Yeah.
Have a barbecue?
Do some fireworks.
And do a barbecue too? What color is the plate? Look,
Red, white, blue, white.
no, just name the 3 colors. What are the 3 colors?
Red,
What else?
white,
And
blue.
what theme is it?
When the rice is red, when the meat's
Do
ready,
you
I'm
know
gonna bring rice.
The American flag?
American.
Can you do a little dance so I could show it to the views?
No, baby.
Hector, ¿qué pasa? I would have showed the firework on film. We had the meat grilling, sizzling, and grill. Look at the nice sunset view. This will be a good view at night when we light up our fireworks. We're gonna show you it on video. Okay, guys, so I'm having carne asada with rice. This one tastes really good. My stepdad is playing with my baby cousin. Baby J. Here we go.
Jason.
Mmm.
Bien mordida, por eso ya no la quieres.
So
Pero
good.
no hay otra. Falta que te compren otra.
And now let's try this piece of meat, which is carne asada.
Pasó, José.
Nada.
¿Quieres comer o no?
Mmm. Really good.
La china anda comiendo carne, va.
In a minute, we're gonna start the fireworks, so I'll see you later.
La otra.
Okay, guys, so we're in the front yard and we're gonna do some fireworks, but my cameraman will show a little bit of the fireworks at the sky everywhere. Okay, let me take the camera. Okay, guys, here we go.
Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
It's a small one. Split the match. Get back, get back, get back.
Yeah.
What does it do? Please be careful with fireworks because they are dangerous, and let adults do the ignition. What is it doing?
No, Pichi, don't get close, please.
What the? What is it? Was that it? I think that was it. That was number 1.
That was number 1.
Oh, be careful, Ma.
I think you're doing it the wrong way.
No, it's supposed to be like that.
It's the other way.
No, no prende, es para que prenda la luz.
I think it's the other way that you're doing it. I think it's the other way.
Ugh.
Stay back. You.
Oh my God.
Oh, don't go close,
Oh God. China, no! Gina, no.
Ándale.
The fireworks, Aaron. Yeah. Alright. Stay back, stay back.
That scared me.
A bit. Another one. That one's kind of quick. Oh no. Again. Ay, ay, ay. Ay. I feel like, uh-oh. Here comes Rudy's. Oh, oh God. Oh God. I feel like the spark was like on me.
¿Qué, mijo? ¿Qué es eso? Ay, dejé el en el cuarto.
My aunt's moving the trash. Come on. Oh, there we go. What's it do? We got the fountains going. Romeo, stay with me. Come here.
Look at that.
Anything else?
Yep.
Whoa.
More fuel.
Oh,
Up.
Gina.
Ay, Junior.
She's not
Mira, aquí está, amigo.
Whoa.
There's a lot of.
Oh God. Wherever Rudy got the fireworks from, we need to get those.
Yeah, but they're crazy.
I wonder how much they cost. Another fountain. That's it? They're everywhere.
That was intense.
Oh.
At the box.
Where?
Intense.
I bet. Oh my God. Another fountain. It looks pretty. Mini fireworks. How cool is that? Oh God. I think they lit in another one. Oh my God. Oh, here comes Rudy's. I need to get this.
They don't go that way.
I'm going to film it like this, and then I have to aim to the tree. He's trying. Oh, Oh, here we go. Here we go.
What the hell?
Oh. Oh.
Go with Grandma.
Oh. Another.
Go with Ahí va la
Another fountain?
Yeah.
Let's I'm gonna be with Amy, alright? Excuse me. Buenas tardes.
You just stay right there if you want.
Hello.
Go right there, you can go.
Hola.
Hola, papi. ¿Cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bien, gracias.
A ver,
Mira, ahí va a poner la papaya.
un video.
¿Un video?
Sí. Ah,
Okay.
ay.
Let's go.
Ay, ay. Ay. What? What the? What? What the hell?
¿Ya nomás?
Sí, ahí tengo uno más. ¿Uno más?
Ponle, pues.
What happened?
I don't know.
That one's
That was a rip-off right there.
weak. What a freaking weak. I mean, what a weak. Say hi.
My God. Oh my God. Muchos. Let me guess. You got the air horn?
Ese ahí nomás ya, ok.
Ya sé, ya, ese es el último. Tengo más, pero ahorita.
Oh God.
Oh, this one's not a rip-off again.
Come on, light it. Come on, light it. Try to light it. Come on. Come on. Oh God. Oh God. Ah. At least that one worked.
I'm shook at you. Okay, bye, Felicia.
There goes my paw. He's lighting on. All we got is just fountains. Was that all of it?
Yeah.
Except for the one that's been ripped off.
I'll bring more right now. I'll bring more right now.
No? No. Simón y Andrés fue de México. Woo! What the? What did he throw? What the? Oh my God! That scared the hell out of me. Hell. Damn. Oh my God. Again. He's trying to light it. Come on. Oh God. That one's kind of funny.
I'm gonna throw like 3 of them at the same time. Like.
Are they even that cheap?
That's what gave me a whole handful. So I have like 2 of them. Yeah.
Oh my God. Monday. What is he doing? Oh! Oh God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! It almost sounds like Lamborghinis. Yeah. Oh my God. Woo! Oh, another one? That's like the 4th one. That's like the 4th one. Damn.
That's all?
I don't know if we have more left.
I don't think so.
Whoa.
I don't think so. I think it all right now. Those, the little ones too?
No.
I'm sleepy.
I'm not even tired.
I look up early. My mom, especially my mom. She woke up early. When I woke up, she didn't. She came out of bed. So pretty. But why do you have to like follow her?
Don't know. What? Oh my God. Oh my God. What do they do?
We're popping fireworks with Kyle, Monica, my mom, and the neighbor. Yeah. Hey, were you coming or what?
Mira.
Huh? Alright then. I'll see you in a bit.
Oh, they're like rockets, I think.
Alright, YouTube, so this one goes like this.
Yeah.
Oh, you know.
It's like a rocket, right?
This is the gay one, the one that doesn't pop.
The bottle rocket.
Yeah, no, they come like this, like that.
Ese se graba lo más.
Teeny.
The little mayonnaise.
Oh my God.
Grábale, mamá.
Go for it. Oh my. America. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, America. Thanks for birthing me.
Oh, run! Run, 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 run. Here we go. I. Ah. No wonder that's a cheap one. It scared me a bit. You need to get those more often.
I thought I was gonna fall.
Here comes firework number 2.
Hello? Yeah, bring him. He gave me the money right here. Hi.
Here we go.
Second.
Firework number 2.
That's the match.
Pack 2.
Actually, that's the second one he's gonna
Hello?
like.
This pack. This is the answer to
Number 7.
Number 78.
Because you got the other pack. That's why I said number 2.
Number 2? That firecracker is right number 2.
No, that's the second one that he got. Move. Okay, here we go. Let's see the match.
See all them.
Run! Run, man! Here we go.
Ready, set, launch.
Take it. Oh, God. What the? What was that? I felt something.
I'm frozen.
I just felt something.
Look, I got like one of those little sparks went on my hand.
I just felt something when you lit it. I felt like something sting me.
It smells like fart.
But it's actually a spark.
It smells like fart. No.
Now it smells like gunpowder.
I thought it was a firework. It was a fart.
Fart. Fart at work.
Oh, there's some fireworks that like
Fart at work.
like
Fart at
there's some fireworks that has like comes like the shit comes out. That shit comes out. Number 3.
Number 3, what number 3?
Firework number 3. Come on. Let's see the match. Come on. Try to light it. Cover it. Come on. Oh, God. Come on. Come on. There we go. Go, 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 go. I. Did you see that? I feel like there's some kind of like ball. Whoa.
Somebody help me, I'm frozen.
I feel like we should do this for New Year's Eve.
Number 4. Let's go. Okay, number 4.
Want to do that one for you?
4. Oh, this time you're lighting firecrackers.
Firecracker.
Entonces mi padre dice que viene.
Those look like dynamite.
Don't they?
Mini dynamite. Mini.
But it's gonna be cracking right there. Adrian,
Ese
bro?
trono bien feo, ¿eh?
¿Cuál?
Esos.
No, man.
Hey, little man.
No, lo que tenemos más feos son esos.
No, I call those mini ones little man.
Hey.
They're kind of like car wash brushes. don't they?
Oh, yo, what does?
You what you want, bro? You want that one?
I would buy a lot
Want
of
lighter
those.
or what?
If I had $10,000, I would buy all of them.
I know.
Or 1,000. Or 100 million.
Whatever.
No sabe comerse.
Let's go!
But be careful. Like, run away fast.
Oh no.
Be careful.
Si no sabe, préndelo tú.
Ay, ay, ay.
Love this. Where's more? We need more to get views.
Woo! That was a bubblegum boy. What the? Ow.
Dynamite! Dynamite!
That was kind of dangerous.
I can't get up. I have fallen and I can't
Oh.
get up.
Firework number 4 that they're gonna light. Come on. Oh, run! Run! Here we go. Ay. Oh my god.
Let's go!
Was it number? Yeah, now they're gonna do number 5.
I want to go. I want to go.
This year's a blast. We're ready for number 5. Nobody. Oh, I thought I saw one.
It smells like burnt fart.
Neighbors are lighting some crackers.
So you don't have a lighter? You want to do 2 at the same time? This is bad to watch when you do 2. That looks crazy. Yeah, watch. Especially if one of them's like a cracker.
Number 5 and 6.
Red, paper chopstick.
Smells like fart. Farting.
You ate food today, huh?
No, I didn't. I did not. He did.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
What? Another.
That looks like a crazy. That's just funny,
That one's a crazy one. That was the last of it. That's all of the rockets.
Okay, so I got this one in here.
There are different sizes of fireworks shells.
I want that big pack one.
This is why rockets are better than fountains.
Sure.
No.
What happened?
What? Oh. Sounds like gunshots. Man, that's loud.
That's like dynamite. That sounds like dynamite. Like doing one dynamite so good. Let's do this.
I think that's that one. Oh yeah, I was right. picture. There goes another one.
Oh, yes. Hey.
Why is there 200, 500 glass?
Aquí está la derecha a ti, vas a ver. Mira,
Did you know that Simon can touch fire?
chava, con cuidado,
No.
Un par de cabros.
Here comes number 5 and 6.
¿Puedo arreglar la ropa?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Here we go. Come on. See the match. Come on. Oh, run! 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 Ay, what the? Oh god! What the hell? What the fuck?
You alright?
Oh my god! That one was a huge fail. A bit. Somewhere right here by my leg.
Aquí cayó. A ver, la luz sale mi.
What the hell?
A ver si no está prendido aquí.
See? Oh my god!
Les digo que está bien peligroso eso. Ya, Ruth, ya.
No.
Está bien peligroso.
We need to do one more and that's it.
Yes.
Just like the last one and that's it. Rudy, come on, light the match. Oh my god! Go, 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 go. Oh god. Oh my god. Woo! That was the last of it.
Are you guys done?
That was the last of it. Yeah, that's the last of it.
Well, that one would have been the one that would have blew up your hand if you would have held the food. That's right. All these are. Yeah.
Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Hey, you put it upside down?
Standing by the
Oh,
car.
no, I don't think I put it upside down.
I wasn't standing by the car.
The metro would have been super short. It would have been like right here.
Oh my god. I almost got killed by that.
If I could have touched
Oh my
it,
god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey, save that shit.
I actually got that on tape.
Crazy.
I'm gonna show you another one, but I had to show a video clip to my neighbor.
we're gonna do more. That
Don't worry about it. That was 7. Now here comes number 8. Come on, light it. Light it. Come on. See the match. Run! Run, 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 run. Ah! Ay. Good thing we did. Good thing we didn't get injured. Happy birthday, America.
I'm gonna get a break from the back. The one that the single break.
I took so many pictures that I had to delete.
Never heard those. We haven't heard those. We haven't heard that. Oh my god.
¿Cómo le hacen a ver?
I have so many pictures.
Now this is what I'm talking about.
Alright, YouTube, so you gotta put this on top.
Yeah.
You got one more Russian one? Es para que no se mueva.
Grab a cinder block and get one of these.
If
I
it
need to
falls
say, I'm
down,
already getting weak holding this.
Better place it down quick.
Mira, eso le canto también grabar, mira.
Come on. Grab it. Oh shit. Did you see the undo? You should have clicked it.
Hazlo más para allá, mira.
Oh my god. Okay. Come on. Let's see the match. I just left like that.
There's not enough space for instant features. Break up space, delete some files. I already did! Look, I just have this video. Look what it said. There's one video.
Oh, you ran out of memory. Try to light it. Light it. Light it. Oh! Here we go. Ay. Whoa.
That one looks like a Halloween one.
Awesome.
Please and cold.
How many do we have left?
These are loud. You're trying to cover your ears.
Oh God.
What the hell?
What?
What the hell happened?
What? I see it a little. No. What the? What the? What the? I didn't even know what that is.
He started!
Yeah, if you get one for me for free when I want to go pick up mine. These balls? Yeah. They're crazy.
¿Cómo le hacen?
I have a 300 shot. As
Ay,
long as that's 300.
Oh my God.
Get that ass out of me.
They're gonna be at Adrian's. We're gonna be in the backyard. So.
Hey, Lete.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. No, Trippy's over there. That's the food that. Oh, you have over there? Watch. Yeah, that's that food. Yeah, he's always been talking. He's like,
Mommy, did you know she...
Ahí va, poco a poco, ¿eh?
What the? Oh,
Don't burn me. 'Cause I already got burned like 1 time in the
is that?
Nah.
He was trying to get the fuse.
If you did that, I would get burned on my
No, pero de las botellas que decías, Rudy, estaban
ball.
There we go.
Sebastián, I know what happened.
Que de las botellas que hacía.
Ya sé, también esos, ¿te acuerdas? Desde allá.
Es lo que dice que es
There we go.
porque
Están chingones, ¿eh? Aquí se parece que una bomba.
Él no quiso hacer con cloro y le dije
Oh, it's coming.
everyone thought like he was okay.
Oiga, y nos quitaron los tacos,
Did you- I don't know if he lit it.
no se puede, ya voy a poner yo aquí.
Go, 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 go. Here we go. Ay. Whoa.
Ay, ese cabrón chango. Tiene maceta de chango. Desde chiquito, cuando hizo la primera comunión,
We got 2 more to go.
le dijo al padrino, mijo, ¿qué vas a querer de regalo? No, pues a mí compré un torito. Es que caemos en la plaza. Y él dice, ¿de veras eso quieres? Y luego pues nos dijo el señor, pues, el niño quiere que le compre un torito, ¿cómo ves? Pues si eso quiere.
Oh my God.
No, hombre, al rato cuando lo prendieron, que le da, le empieza a quemar y que le queme el lomo, arranca, lo avienta a la chica y arranca. Ándale, cabrón, ¿quieres otro torito? Es que ya se puso así, que siempre un torito.
Careful.
No, esa chica de
Come on, light it. Try covering it. He's lighting it to the match. We saw the match. He did the monster. He did the match. He did the monster. She did the match. He did the match. I'm just kidding. I was just singing it hit song for some different. I don't even know what it is, but whatever. Try to cover it. Oh.
No, me van a regalar mi viaje, ¿qué quieres?
Ay. Woo!
Pedí 2 semanas para a ver a mi mamá.
Yo falto un día y ella ya está chillando.
We got one more to go.
Uno piensa siempre, nunca hace uno nada por estar pensando en
Come on, Rudy. You got one more to go.
y nomás llega una cosa mala y te corren, ahí quedó todo. Yo por eso ya dije,
Para que me corra.
no diga nada, nunca sabe uno. Así digo yo también a veces y ya han llegado momentos me quedo con los cigarros.
Mire, me jubilo y...
Usted ya.
Just got one more to go, Rudy.
One more.
Yeah, because that's the only thing that they had. You just got one more to go. Whoa. This is why Fireworks had has light. Is it lighting? He's trying to. He's. Here we go. Did he seriously? Whoa. There's no cars coming. We're clear. Come on. It's, oh, come on. We could do better than that. It's not lighting. Come on. Just pay attention. There we go. Ay. Ay.
A este le encanta eso.
¿A él no le gustaban?
That was before. I think that was it.
Luego se metía.
Es que ya está grandote, ya mi niño.
¿De dónde? Vámonos. Es que le digo, vámonos. Le digo, a la chingada.
Was that it?
Yeah.
Va a cumplir 15 años en septiembre.
¿Y te lo van a celebrar?
No quiere, él no le gusta.
No le gusta a él.
Él quiere ir que lo lleven al Dave & Buster's a su cumpleaños.
Okay, guys, that was the 4th of July vlog, and I'm gonna show you a bit part of the news that's on right now.
Too many fires so far, a couple tree fires, one building fire, but so far it's been kind of quiet on the fire side from all this firework activity. So we'll keep an eye on it, bring you more as we cruise around Hollywood. So let me set it back down to you.
Tim, thank you. And the 4th of July can be a scary scene on the streets of Los Angeles. Check out these illegal fireworks lighting up the sky in Baldwin Park. This is common despite a crackdown. Law enforcement says they are going to be on heightened alert all weekend looking for things like these illegal fireworks along with drunk drivers. Now, if you get caught with illegal fireworks in California,
Never do that. But anyways, that was the vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Goodbye.